Yeah?
Good morning, everyone. So, a couple of people asked me to show the little, well, not little, it's a pretty big house. So this is the one we did a confirmation of, you know, that we're gonna go to, the island. So we, paid in full so no one can take it. So, because, you know, it's crazy how many people go to, Ameland. I'll show you. Here you got the months. So as you can see, March already almost full. April is full. Here's a little bit left. Here we're gonna be arriving on the 17th and leaving on the 24th. But then you go to June is totally booked, 2 days left. Then you go to July, fully booked, 2 days left. Then we go to August. As you can see, it's crazy. So this is the house. Yes. And then I'll show you the inside. This is the living room, and it has an open kitchen. And that's the open sliding doors for outside. This is another view. I'll go flip through it. I'm not sure. Some people will not be very interested in this, but this is a part of the bathroom. It has 2 bathrooms. It has a sauna, has a big tub, and here's the sauna from the inside. Then it has, this is a bedroom, this is the same bedroom, another bedroom, lots of bedrooms, because it's for 8 people. So there you go, that's it. This is the outside. That's the outside. Nice piece of grass where you can, where the dog can play. It has a lovely parts where you can sit, so I'm really looking forward to it. Now on YouTube, ooh, that's me. On YouTube we have, let's see, I was gonna show you Ameland. I have to type with one hand because I'm holding the microphone in the other. But I saw a really cute one. Let's see, which one was it? Where you could really see the island from up high. Well, this one is. So this is the island. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Lots of people take drones so that you can really see the island from up high. I've never been here to the point. I've tried to walk it like, I don't know, maybe 8 times, but it's just such a distance that I can't even, I don't get there. You know, I run out of energy. But every year I try it again.
Ik altijd lange afstand lopen. Voor marathons dan trainen altijd gewoon thuis. Toen ben ik hier in Tokio.
You can go for a ride, but I don't think that counts. You know, if you want to do it, you have to go. You have to walk the distance, not sit on some sort of a, you know, that's cheating. So this is Ameland too. There are a lot of people that live there, and they really, you know, just do what they have to do. I'd love to live there, but like I've told you before, you know, if you get sick, you really have to go to the mainland to go to a hospital. And if you're taking your car, it's about 45 minutes to an hour on the boat. So that'd be 2 hours, and you still have to drive to the hospital. So I don't want to do that. But as you can see, really pretty.
Ja, absoluut.
That's pretty long video. Let's speed it up a little bit. Oh, here's the lighthouse. Now I even made a video of that. They really picked out a beautiful day to video this. Let me check, see some more. And as you can see, it's not really that crowded. Even in the summer, it's not, because it costs, if you take the car to Ameland, it costs you something like 140 euros. So I think that's close to 160 dollars just to get over there. And that's a lot of money, and a lot of people aren't willing to pay that, you know, just to go and visit the beach. Of course, you can leave your car behind and just, you know, get on the boat, but even that is something like $26 for 2 people. So a lot of people don't do that. And we have other places, you know, where the beach is really nice, but again, then that's really crowded. This is where the boat, where it arrives, and then you get off. And most of the really beautiful beaches are on the back side of the island, like you see here. And as you can see, not busy at all. You see almost no people. And of course, the water is pretty cold, so you don't really see a lot of people swimming in it. That's a sort of a camping. Here's a lot of birds.
Op een gegeven moment, hij zegt ja, ik loop nog steeds marathons. En dit en dat. Ik denk, wauw wel. Maar is 70 jaar nog steeds marathons.
I just like walking on the beach and with my dog and just, you know, go find shells and stuff like that. Oh, there's one that went in the water.
Ik weet het niet wel.
Now this is the other side of the island where there's no beach. And this is where the normal people live, I guess. I guess you can say that. Okay, let's speed it up a little bit. Nah, the rest is pretty boring. Oh, there are all the sea lions, yeah.
Af en toe wel, lees je iets niet goed op een etiket, komt er nog een keer wat binnen. Maar als ik het weet, dan
we don't have many sharks though, so they have a good chance of surviving everything, because we don't have those big sharks.
Dat is wel grappig, ik ben zelf 15 jaar vegetariër geweest.
And there's the island again. Okay guys, I still wanted to show you another thing that let's just flip that one away, clickety click click. This one, someone put that in the comments. Let's go to the home page. It's called I Connect with Glitter. And here, up here, you can see the, it's ICW Glitter, so I Connect with, that's abbreviated, and then glitter.com. And because I use a lot of glitter, and someone said, oh, I found some beautiful blue ocean holographic glitter. So I went and looked, and here you got all the colors. And if you go to holographic, there it is. And then we go to this one. This looks pretty much like the stuff I use, as you can see. And it's a big shake bottle, you know, with a shaker lid. And if that's something that you'd really like to have, well, this is the link to it. They even have it really big, with those really big pieces of glitter. I think this would look awesome in some resin though. That would be really crazy. But I don't, usually I don't buy from overseas, not this stuff, because, you know, the postage is just crazy. So, that's too bad for me. But good for you guys, so you can buy that stuff.
Hierboven hebben we de computerruimte en we hebben een soort van winkel.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna upload this. But if you're looking for glitter, this is the place to be.
Hier hebben we contact met de buitenwereld.
I want to wish you all a really fun Sunday. And I'll see you all later.
Toen ben ik daar gaan liggen. Is goed, 4 personen? Oké, dan ga ik als 4 erbij liggen. Maar nu gebruik ik het met zelf van ja, er komt niemand bij.